This is my reflection about the crisis management basic. A crisis management plan will start with identifying potential crises. The company should identify both external and internal forces or events that could lead to a crisis. Having preparation before the crisis is a big thing to save everyone. If we are in a workplace, the team leader will organize and think about on what we will do. The team leader's plan will only be successful if all of his team listen to what he says. So it is important to have cooperation with the team leader and his management to properly carry out the plans he made when there is a crisis. Each member of the team should understand his or her responsibilities and authority. The team should be given the opportunity to practice making decisions in a mock crisis that they have to make in the future. And that will only happen if our team leader is good at handling with his team on how to deal with the crisis. Managers and supervisors should implement emergency or evacuation plans to protect not only their employees but also their property, because their staff just depends on them on what they will do. As an effective supervisors, we must also have a plan on where our employees will go during a disaster. That's why we must be prepared at any time and cooperate with everyone. Many plans of a management are also needed so that even if a plan is not effective, there are alternative plans that can be made. As the team leader also of a management, everyone should also be updated on what plans to make so the others are aware of what will happen. In order for the plan to be successful, the team needs to develop what they will do. So communication is important when there is a crisis to understand what to do and to implement properly the plans. The biggest help that we can do if we are part of the management is to follow the supervisors on what to do. We must be able to listen to what they say, because if we do not cooperate, their plan will not be good and it is possible that our lives will be in a danger. So we must cooperate properly with our team leader to overcome the crisis we will face. The crisis communication plan is also an essential component of the preparedness program, because during an emergency, a team management must be able to respond quickly, accurately, and confidently to save everyone's life.